Hey everybody! I first want to say thank you for watching my video. For those of you that know me, I work in the teen and adult services and my name is Shelby Couch. I'm one of the reference librarians and I also do a lot of programming. So for those of you that don't know me, please come in the library and see me sometime. I love to see new patrons and new faces. I've been at the library for about a year now. So I love getting to know the Zionsville and now our acquired Worth Township patrons in Whitestown. So I look forward to meeting all of you. And for those of you that do know me, you know that I like to cook. So the purpose of this video is to give you some fun holiday recipes and things that you can try to up your holiday game. I know that sometimes cooking can be a little overwhelming and it can be hard, especially for someone like me who's a bit of a newer cook. And I wanted to give everybody some things they could try and know that they're tested and they work or they don't work, and here's why, and figure some of that out. So the reason behind this video is that my husband and I just bought a new house and I love to host events and parties and dinners and things like that. And this will be the first year I get to host my family Thanksgiving. And well, hopefully due to COVID, we may not have it, but even if we don't, I got to try out some great recipes. And I'm going to be making some pie recipes, some homemade rolls, whipped butter, some things like that. So I am going to have those available for you. And some I got out of library books right from our own library. Some I found online, and I will include all of that in there. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to visit me at the library. My email and all my information can be accessed on the website, or you can get to us through that way. The only thing I want to point out for this video is that it's going to be more of a here's my experiences, here's what I would or wouldn't do. And I will have a whole list of the recipes and all the information along with some pictures of what everything looked like. So the video might look a little different than what I've done in the past, but it will all be there and you're welcome to ask me any questions. So here's to hoping I can help you up your holiday game. Thank you.